right, here we are in the old creamsicle. So Juan said, oh, he needs new brake pads. So now we're on the way to the store to get some brake pads. Sound like somebody needs some pads on this.
It's the moisture.
Yeah, I hear you. Yeah, the moisture. Okay, no. Yeah, it does. North Carolina, it's humid as heck down here. But anyway, so here we go. Oops, his foot slipped on the gas, right, Juan?
Yeah.
Oh, the throttle stuck. All right, so here we are. We're going to the store. Going to the store.
Record that one too.
All right, we're here at AutoZone. Get in the zone, AutoZone. We're not being sponsored by AutoZone, but we will happy our butts in it. Oh yeah, Dale's getting recorded, dude. Thank you, senor. How's it going?
Where's Dale?
There's Larry. Hi, Larry. Say hi to everybody at YouTube land.
Oh, is that what that is?
That's what it is. Dale here today?
He's at lunch.
Oh man, we thought we were going to be able to bust him. Okay. We need a set of brake pads for a 70 Chevrolet C10. He's going to do all the dit dots, bing a bing a boom on the computer.
C10?
Larry loves Fords, but we don't hold that against him.
Front or rear?
Front.
And they're shoes, aren't they?
No.
Yes.
Discs.
What?
There's Mary Jo. Hi, Mary Jo. You'll be on YouTube.
It today?
You're going to be on YouTube.
Oh gosh, you're a YouTube professional?
No, not far from it. Yeah, she's disc brakes on the front.
Okay.
350.
It's a what?
5.7.
That's what I'm saying. They're originally equipped with shoes. Weren't coming with disc brakes.
On the 70s?
Oh, never mind. It's because
I said they come with it.
That's right.
Yeah.
Yep.
I mean, it was on the truck when he got it. That doesn't mean nothing.
I've got a 70 Chevy C10 two-wheel drive.
Yep.
350.
He had to make a run.
It says this vehicle is not equipped with the part.
Huh.
Yes, ma'am. But
What about a 72?
we're here in the house. There we go.
Let's just
72. Let's switch it to a 72, Larry, and see what we got.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Because I know the 72s had.
still
5.7. Yeah. There you go.
Now they did.
All right. See, that's what I'm thinking. Okay. So what do we got here? What we got here? Durlast Gold. Is that the only two we got, Larry? Do we have any? Do you have any of the ceramic ones?
The gold should be ceramics.
Okay.
No, they're semi-metallic.
Okay.
I was wrong.
Said the OE are fine.
The what?
OE.
OE?
That right there would be more like OE, semi-metallic.
All right, let's roll with her then. Okay, we're out of the store. Get back in there. We got the brake pads. Yeah, I got to bring the 39 out here once I get it plated. And leave my signature. Yes, leave my signature. Changing the pads. Okay, so.
Oh yeah.
Juan, show them where the bolts that have to be removed out the back.
This one right there. It's an Allen key.
And I want to say it's a 3/8 Allen.
Same right there. You see brake pads about to hit the alarm. Here's Mr. Here's the boss. What's up, boss man?
And we need a screwdriver to push the calipers back too, right?
Yeah.
Here you go, one. I think that's the size.
Yeah.
Yep, okay. So I'm gonna put this back on the stand. Tucker. You get a screwdriver to push that stuff back.
You talking about the piston?
Yes. More this way. Bring this over this way. More into this.
I mean, that's pretty loose.
Okay.
Talking about like this?
Yeah. There you go. Just slow, that's all. So now he's putting the screwdriver between the pads and the rotor. And just slowly.
I think that should be fine. But I almost receded all the way. It's like almost flush.
Okay. All right, cool. Give me this. Tucker won't leave us alone if we got the ball and he's out here. He's like, no, you will play with us. Okay.
I didn't come with new hardware, so.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, that's it.
That's her. All right, cool.
So one with lip, one with no lip. And then we'll reuse this clip.
Yeah, you can if you want to.
Yeah, look, about gone.
Yeah, they are. That's a good thing we changed them, huh?
Yeah.
There you go. Put these two on this side. Yeah, you're gonna have to push that piston back possibly farther.
We'll see.
Yeah, maybe. I say maybe. The rotors are in good shape, so we don't have to. Yeah, you're gonna. Want a C-clamp?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so I gotta go get a C-clamp and push a little farther back. So show them what you're doing with a C-clamp there, Juan. So C-clamping it up against, you can use the old pad, but it's not going to mess up the pad.
Yeah,
and just slowly tighten it.
Press it back in.
Yep. And show them what it looks like when we get pressed in. See the puck. Basically, I think they call it a puck. That should be enough one.
Yeah.
The puck is almost all the way back in there again.
Should be flush.
Yes. Now, sometimes on the older calibers, if you've got a really old caliber, sometimes if you do that, the puck will stick in there because of dirt. Hopefully, that's not what the case is here. We'll find out. So there you go. It's really easy to do this. I mean, you'll have longer time jacking it up and putting it in, and putting the stands under it.
This is true.
Ah, there it is. Had to hold your mouth right.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, because the pin has to go through.
Yes. Okay. So see, so now he's tightening it up so the pin.
Has to go through the thing.
That's right. See, because there's a hole on this side. So that pin is stationary on this part of it, and it allows the caliper to slide back and forth. All right. And Juan's just going to tighten those PFTs. Oop. I don't want to tell you what, pretty flipping tight, but not too tight though. They don't have to be super tight.
Perfectly freaking tight.
Yes. Yes. Oh, I take this other tire off. How on?
Yeah, it's slacking,
I'm not doing
man.
I'm slacking.
See, you want me to do all the work today, huh?
I do, man. Apparently.
You better give me half of your pizza.
Right?
Not the one with anchovies or whatever.
Ooh.
Olives.
Right?
There.
All right, so there you go. That's the hardest part right there. I guess we don't need to videotape this part, huh?
No. Unless they want to. You guys want to?
You want a video? Okay. All right,
Cool,
fine.
cool. We'll do it.
Here's your pads, Juan.
Oh, man. How do you know it was that time of the month?
You know. I could tell you were really like hungry and
Heavy flow, huh?
yeah, heavy flow. Getting a little bit bitchy. Whew. I didn't mean to say the word.
Is that noticeable?
Huh?
Is that noticeable?
No. I barely noticed, Juan. I need some heavy tires, man. All right, I'm putting this tire on while Juan is on the other side.
Bolts out.
What it be?
Flat surface.
Huh?
I'm just instructing.
Oh.
Rest on the hand.
I need to get. Okay. Right. Get a thinner socket. It's 3/4, a little bit too thick. We won't mess up his center caps. A bit of extension. There it is.
She's good to go. You good, Mike?
I'm good, dude.
I could rotate the thing.
Yeah.
Is that better?
Yep. Trying to get a socket stuck on.
What? What?
Okay. Careful using this socket. If it goes down in there deep, it kind of gets stuck in there. Okay. So you just kind of.
Want to have a longer one?
No, it gets stuck down inside the center cap.
Oh.
That's the thinnest one I got. And while Juan's doing that, I'm going to go ahead and pump the brakes up. Because that, you know, it's really weird. That's very important. Imagine that. There she is. Good solid pedal. Cool. All right, we're good. Cool beans. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is that. Simple tools. So that's good. Another job down the drain. That's 2 days. Today. Two today.
Little pit stop.
Little pit stop. That's all.
Pit stop.
Right? This is going to be a different video. So remember, like, subscribe, and comment. All right? And spread the word. Tell all your friends, hey, go look at these two morons over here. Look at that.
Don't do what we do
Yeah, no. Oh gosh, no. You can though.
at your own risk.
At your own risk. But be safe. All right. Especially if you're gonna jack up a truck. Make sure, or any vehicle, put stands underneath of it. Never work under it when it's just the hydraulic jack, because hydraulics do fail. All right.
And if you guys like to use rams, don't forget to chuck block the tires.
Yes, absolutely. All right, because when it rolls back on you, it's not pretty.
Mm.
All right. Well, later.